Okay, next day we're back on the trail, the forest trail to the next village over, and the wild monkeys are out again, this time in greater numbers. Sorry, I'm out of breath. It's a really big hike, and I'm fat and out of shape, and so these are the usual suspects of monkeys. I mean, can you really doubt evolution? I mean, it's like I'm a fucking sneeze away from looking like this guy, especially to the locals who I This is a big fella right here. Hey, buddy. Okay, that was kind of did he just juke me? Yeah. Here, move over to the right a little bit. Ooh, they carry the babies.